Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is atmosphere. The atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds the Earth, essential for sustaining life. It is dynamic and plays a critical role in supporting ecosystems, regulating weather, and protecting life from harmful solar radiation. Importance of the atmosphere. 1. Breathable air. Supplies oxygen for living beings to survive. Facilitates the exchange of gases during respiration, oxygen intake and carbon dioxide release. 2. Protection from harmful rays. Shields life from harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays through the ozone layer. 3. Role in photosynthesis. Provides carbon dioxide for plants to synthesize food through photosynthesis. Enables the growth of fruits, vegetables, grains, and other crops that supply essential nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and minerals. 4. Facilitates the water cycle. Vines transport water vapor, enabling rainfall and irrigation. Contributes to soil formation through rock erosion. 5. Cultural and recreational importance. Allows monsoon rains, kite flying, bird flight, and fluttering flags. 6. Natural habitat. Acts as a gaseous sea, similar to how fish live in water. Physical properties of the atmosphere. Thickness, about 1,000 kilometers, resembling a thin plastic sheet if Earth were a basketball, as per NASA. Composition, comprised mainly of nitrogen, 78%. Oxygen, 21%. Other gases like argon, neon, carbon dioxide, 0.03%, methane, ammonia, and ozone in small percentages. Water vapor, around 0.4%, mostly found within 6 kilometers above Earth's surface. Behavior: compresses, expands, and lacks a definite shape. Contains fine dust particles, called particulates, which influence atmospheric conditions. Role of particulates in the atmosphere. Benefits: create vivid sunrises and sunsets. Serve as nuclei for rainfall and hail formation. Harmful effects: cause breathing issues in humans and animals. Hinder plant processes like photosynthesis by settling on leaves. Alter temperature and rainfall patterns. Structure of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is divided into layers based on chemical composition and temperature. A. Based on chemical composition. 1. Homosphere. Extends up to 90 kilometers. Uniform composition of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. Times divided into 3 layers. Troposphere. Stratosphere. Mesosphere. 2. Heterosphere. Extends above 90 kilometers. Composed of lighter gases. Divided into thermosphere. Exosphere. B. Based on temperature and density. 1. Troposphere. Lowermost layer, average height 13 kilometers, 8 kilometers near poles, 18 kilometers near the equator. Contains 75% of atmospheric gases, moisture, and dust. Weather phenomena like rainfall, cyclones, and evaporation occur here. Temperature decreases with altitude, normal lapse rate. 2. Stratosphere. Extends up to 50 kilometers. Free from weather disturbances, ideal for jet flights. Contains the ozone layer, which absorbs UV rays. Temperature increases with altitude. 3. Mesosphere. Extends up to 80 kilometers. Meteorites burn up in this layer. Temperature decreases with altitude. 4. Thermosphere, ionosphere. Extends up to 400 kilometers. Contains ions that reflect radio waves back to Earth. Temperature rises rapidly with altitude. 5. Exosphere. Outermost layer with minimal information available. Atmosphere and life on Moon. The absence of an atmosphere on the Moon leads to 1. Lack of breathable oxygen. 2. No protection from solar radiation. 3. Absence of weather, water cycle, and plant growth, making life unsustainable. Key questions. First question is: why is atmosphere important for us? Sustains life, supports ecosystems, and regulates weather patterns. Second question is: how are particulates beneficial and harmful? Beneficial for rain formation and scenic sunsets, but harmful by altering weather and impeding respiration. Thanks for watching.